Alright, just going to run through the terminal boards real quick. We're on, we did this. Let's see what we come up with. Alright, we have diesel engine, front cab, rear cab, terminal boards, engine start to engine start, engine stop to engine stop. There's a pressure oil, engine temperature, oil pressure, motor cutout switch on both sides, and a series parallel to T1, 2, 3, which are the terminal boards plus the fuel cells. Alright, forward, reverse, left, right, left front control, right front control, rear control. Start, forward, reverse, throttles 1 through 8. Alright, your light gauge control stand front. And shows the ground light switch, ground light set Rio, ground light relay, ground light relay, ground light temperature. You have engine temperature, engine oil pressure, and fuel cell, and fuel and engine oil pressure, battery voltage, oil gauge pressure, brake light, main air reserve, and left control stand front, right front, light gauge terminal board. Shows engine temperature, engine pressure, fuel, engine, oil pressure, battery voltage, oil gauge, and this is for the rear control. The other one was for the front, motor cutout. Motor cutout, forward, reverse, traction motors 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, reverse control terminal left and front and right. In the middle, they're powered together. You have forward. We have circuit breaker forward, reverse, reverse forward, reverse forward, reverse forward, reverse forward, reverser 1, 2, 3, forward, forward, reverser forward 1, 1 and 2, resistor, reverser, resistors, and then on the bottom it shows the reverse control cabinet terminal board from the rear, forward, reverse, circuit breaker forward, reverse, reverser 1 and 2, forward, reverser forward, reverser forward 1 and 2, jumper to forward, reverser, resistor, jumper to reverser, and then Sanders terminal boards. We got 5 more of these to do. These are the terminal boards. Terminal boards for Sanders, emergency, reverser 1 and 2, forward reverser forward, and reverse Sander, reverse forward. And the same for the rear cab. Alright, this shows engine terminal start and shut down terminal board. PC start switch forward, reverse throttle, idle, fuel FPC, FSM, DMV, idle, PCR, PCO to ISO, PSO, shut down terminal board 3. PCO, diode, wheel slip relay, fuel pump, and then resistor PCO, ISO, ground, FPC, ER, left control stand, right control stand, same thing. And so is the rear. Alright, start switch, terminal board, circuit breaker forward, reverser throttle 1 through 8, circuit breaker stop cab, circuit breaker emergency, circuit breaker FPC, throttles 1 through 8, so miss that. Field generator, CB start switch, and that's the same for front and rear cab. Steps cowling and steps cab lighting terminal board. So step light switches 1, 2, 3, 4, cab lights 1, 2. Front and cab lighting front and rear, lights and terminal in front. Alright, front cab, throttle, engine relay, terminal board, ISO, PCR, ground switch, PCR, starting field, MCO, SFM, DV, power 1 and 2, power to 1, P2 to WS relay, P3 to P4 WS relay. then a blank and wheel slip relay start field, and that's both the front cab and rear cab. And then we have throttle terminal relay run terminal board. Alright, shows the CPR, throttle stop, 536, engine run, engine 336, engine run, throttle 246, engine run, and that's the same for front left, front right, and then also in the rear. And those are the terminal boards explained.